Let me just reuse my voice. I think that's better. 3-week-old male newborn brought to physician for increasing yellowing of his eyes and skin for 2 weeks. Mother has noticed that his stools have been paler than usual for the past week. He is exclusively formula fed every 4 hours with a strong sucking reflex. The patient was delivered vaginally at 39 weeks gestation to a healthy woman without any complications. Vital signs are within normal limits. So the 58th percentile for length and 65th percentile for weight. Examination shows scleral icterus and jaundice. Abdominal examination shows a palpable liver 3.5 centimeters below the right costal margin without splenomegaly. Serum studies show an elevated AST and ALT. Total bilirubin is also increased with an elevated direct component. GGT is also increased, which are all signs of GGT is a sign of cholestasis as well as ALP, but it's not given here. Blood group is B, rhesus positive. Without treatment, these patients are at increased risk of which of the following early complications. This is looking like a case of biliary atresia because you can see signs of cholestasis. So usually, patients that have biliary atresia are at increased risk of liver cirrhosis because the bile is retained in the liver, doesn't go anywhere. So that is eventually leads to scarification of the liver. So yeah, early liver cirrhosis. So it's serious concern in patients with biliary atresia. Atretic bile ducts prevent biliary outflow, causing retained bile, which is hepatotoxic. And the bile retention leads to hepatic inflammation and fibrosis, which can ultimately progress to cirrhosis. As early as 9 weeks after birth, symptoms of biliary atresia often become apparent around 2 weeks after birth as bile production increases. As bile production increases, overwhelms the narrowed bile ducts and becomes retained in the liver. Perfect. So exactly what I said. Let's just see this picture. Perfect.